Welcome to Easy Know How New to Instagram and want to learn what it's all about. We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and this video will be our beginner's guide to Instagram, where I'll teach you all the basics of using the app. Now, let's get started. If you haven't downloaded Instagram yet, check out our video on how to install the app on your smartphone. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Once you have the Instagram app set up and have created your account, this is what the main homepage looks like at the top. You'll see Instagram stories from people you follow. You can tap someone's profile icon in this menu to watch their story. Stories are temporary posts that disappear after 24 hours, so they're a great way to share what you're up to in the moment. As you scroll the main portion of the feed, you'll see feed posts from accounts you follow, sponsored posts, and suggested posts that Instagram thinks you'll like if you only want to see posts from people you follow. Tap Instagram at the top and select following. You can also add your friends to favorites and then look at a feed of just your favorites. Check out our video on the favorites and following feeds to learn more. If you see a post you like, you can tap the heart icon to like it, tap the message bubble icon to get to the comments section here. You can read other people's comments and add a comment of your own. If you want to, tap the paper airplane button to share a post. You can tap the name of one of your friends to share it in a direct message to them, or use the options at the bottom of the menu to share the post to your story. Copy a link or share it to another social media app. If you tap the magnifying glass in the menu at the bottom, you'll be taken to the Instagram Explorer page here. You'll see featured posts and reels, Instagram things you'll like based on your activity on Instagram. The more you use the app, the better. Tailored, the Explore page will be to your personal taste in the search bar at the top. You can search for a topic you want to see posts about, or type in the name of someone you want to follow. If you search for a user, you can tap their name to go to their profile and check out their posts. Tap follow to follow them and see their posts and stories in your home feed. To share a post on Instagram, tap the plus sign in the menu at the bottom. Then you can choose the type of post you want to share. A regular feed post is the default post option. Select a photo or video you want to post, or tap the carousel icon to get the option to share multiple images in one post. Then you can edit your image with filters and make adjustments like brightness, saturation, and more. When you're finished editing, you can add a caption for your post. You can include hashtags or mention a friend in your caption if you like. You can also take the location where your image was taken and even add music to your post. When you're ready to post it, tap share in the top right corner. While you may see reels from people you follow in your main feed, they'll be mixed in amongst feed posts to see a feed of only reels. Go to the Reels tab. Reels are short form, vertical videos that are similar to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. If you want to post a reel, tap the plus sign at the bottom and select Reel in the menu. Check out our full guide on how to use Instagram Reels to learn how to make Reels videos. If you tap the message icon in the top right corner of the home screen, you'll be taken to Instagram's messaging interface here. You can message your friends and have audio and video calls at the top of the message interface. You'll see the notes section. This is a place to share short text posts that only people you follow who follow you back can see. Check out our video on Instagram Notes to learn more about this feature. You can see other notifications by tapping the heart icon in the top right corner here. You'll see when someone likes or comments on one of your posts, tags you, or mentions you in one of their own posts, or follows you. Tap your profile icon in the bottom menu to go to your own Instagram profile. Here you can see your own posts, reels, and posts you've been tagged in, to review posts you've liked, comments you've posted and other activities, you can go to the your activity section, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of your profile, then select your activity. Now you can look through and review all of your activity on the Instagram app. That does it for our beginner's guide to Instagram. To learn more about specific Instagram features, check out our playlist of Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel Easy Know How.